How to ignore calls with ad blocking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and tap on the focus option and then tap on the do not disturb option you see there. Doing this will silence all your notifications. However, if you want to ignore calls from a specific person, then hold on the do not disturb option and then tap on the settings option there. Further, go ahead and select the silence notifications from option and then tap on the add people option and select the individual from whom you want to ignore calls. Next, in settings again, scroll down and you will see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for phone and tap on it. Now, tap on the silence unknown callers option and further toggle on the silence unknown callers toggle button. And with this, you will no longer receive notifications from unknown calls. So, these were a few steps on how you can ignore calls with ad blocking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.